In this video, we are going to see how to set up the AVerMedia live streamer arm BA311. First of all, let's unbox your live streamer arm. The package includes the arm itself, a C-clamp with the base, a hex tool for adjusting the strength, sleeves for your cable management, and a quick start guide. Take the C-clamp and place it on the desk where you need to mount the arm. Tighten the clamp tight enough to hold the arm, but make sure it is not too tight to damage your desk. Insert the arm into the base and tighten the Phillips screw for the safety. You don't have to fully tighten this, just making it flat with the surface is enough. Switching between the boom arm and low profile is simple. Change the angle of the arm and twist the second joint. Now grab your favorite mic. In my case, the Livestreamer Mic 330. Tighten it to the 5/8" thread on the arm. If you want to connect a DSLR or any other adapter that use 1/4" thread, simply unscrew the Phillips head screw on the 5/8" adapter. Once everything's set up, use the provided hex screw to tighten or loosen the joints to your preference. Connect your mic cable and use the provided cable sleeves to hide the cable along the channels in the arm. Now we are all set with a clean mic setup.